Are mentions not working on the Threads app? If you can't mention other users' mentions aren't appearing correctly or tagged users aren't receiving notifications in this video, I will show you how to fix mentions on Threads app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Threads. In this page, you will move to above and you will click here on profile. Not here, here profile. Then you will go to above to the sign. After that, here in this page of settings, you will go to privacy. Then you will go to tags and mentions, and here you'll find allow mentions from, and you can choose, for example, no one, as you see. So please don't forget to press the bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.